So there are a whole lot of crypto platform in the world, but Binance happens to be the biggest crypto platform in the world, and there are numerous ways on how we can actually earn crypto every single day on Binance. Okay, so guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 5 different methods on how you can begin to earn crypto daily on the Binance platform. Okay, so just make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end so that you don't get to miss any parts of this video. Okay, so now let's get to my screen proper. Let me begin to show you how to navigate the Binance platform and earn crypto every single day. That sounds good. Let's go. Okay, so guys, here on the platform of Binance, I'm going to be showing you, like I rightly said in the intro of this video, 5 different ways and method on how you can earn at least some money for yourself every day on the Binance platform. Okay, so for us to get started, the first method we're going to be using is called Binance Simple Earn. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is this: when you log into your account, it's going to click on this earn up here. Now, guys, we're using the desktop to show you how to do this here, but the same thing is applicable if you're going to be using the mobile device. Okay, so just click on go to Earn even on your mobile device. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says Simple Earn here. Okay, now we click on this Simple Earn, is going to bring you here. Okay, what you're going to be seeing here is that we have 2 different ways on how we can actually earn through Binance Earn here. Okay, so we have the flexible and the lock. Okay, so what that actually means is this: if you're going to be going for the flexible, it means that whatever you're going to be putting in as an investment or as a savings on this particular stuff here, you'll be able to take it out at any time. Okay, but when you lock it, then it means that is the fund or the amount of money you're going to be putting into this particular one will be locked for a certain number of days before you'll be able to take out your fund. Okay, so quickly let me show you how that works. So let's assume you want to put in some USDT here for a certain number of days. You can see this USDT here. You can see you're going to be earning 3.3% to 80% APR. Okay, now this is yearly. This percentage you are seeing here is yearly. Then when you come down here, you can see we have flexible and lock. Okay, then if let me click on this button here. Okay, so you can see for you to actually earn 8.4% of the amount of USDT you're going to be putting into this flexible here. Okay, all you just need to do is that you're going to click on this subscribe button here. When you subscribe on this button, it's going to take you to where you'll be able to put in your funds there. Okay, now this one is flexible, so even if you invest this very day, okay, let's assume you invest today, this very day you can still decide to take out your money. Tomorrow you can still decide to take out your money anytime at all that you feel, oh, you are okay with your investment and you want to take out your money. You can do that at any time. That is why it is called flexible. Okay, now if you check out this particular one, this one is 3 days. Okay, meaning that whatever amount of money you're going to be putting in here, the fund will be locked in here for 3 good days. Okay, is you can see 80%. Okay, and this is actually a special offer, which means that it's kind of rare. And also if you check out this one, this 3.3% is going to be locked for 21 days before you be able to take out your fund. So that is the difference between uh flexible and locked. Like I rightly said, this one is flexible, and these other ones that you see numbers written beside them, these ones are locked. Okay, so what you're just going to be doing is that you're going to click on subscribe here. Let's assume you want to go with this one that you earn 8.4%, okay, which is flexible. You just click on subscribe here. Okay, when you click on subscribe here, then here you're going to put in the amount of fund that you want to invest. You can see the minimum is even 0.1 USDT. Okay, then it's just going to show you all the details about whatever you're going to be putting in here. Are you going to click on confirm? Okay, so it's as simple as that. Okay, this is one way. Then the second way on how you can actually earn on Binance is through trading bots. Okay, now Binance has different kind of trading bots. You can see they have this spot grid, future grid, arbitrage bot, rebalancing bot, and algo order. Right now, this spot grid is one bot that a whole lot of guys are actually using because it's just like you using spot trading. Okay, it helps you to buy low and it helps you to sell high. That is how the spot trading spot grid actually works. Then you also see this future grid. This future grid also works like you trading futures, but this particular one works buying low, buy high, and also sideways market. Okay, let me just even click on this button to just help you get more understanding. You can see the future grid bot aims to capture volatility in the future market using an automated buy low, sell high strategy supporting neutral, long, and short directional approaches combined with leverage. Okay, so that is how this particular one actually works. These two, I wouldn't want to be talking about this arbitrage bot, rebalancing, and auto order, but I'm going to be talking about this one called auto invest. Okay, so these are the, I'm just going to be showing you the major ones that people use, which is this spot grid, future grid, and this auto invest. Now for this auto invest, is just like a dollar cost average kind of a trade. Okay, so what this actually does is that it helps you to buy Bitcoin. Let's assume you're going to be going with Bitcoin or BNB, any of the crypto that you want to do with auto invest. It helps you to buy the crypto at interval. You might decide to set up the bot and say, okay, fine, you want to be buying every single day, or you want to be buying weekly, you want to be buying monthly. You put a certain amount of money, and every single day, every weekly or monthly, as you set out the bot, is going to be helping you to be buying Bitcoin, BTC, or whichever coin you're going to be choosing. Okay, so that is how auto invest actually works. And as soon as that particular coin begins to appreciate, definitely you know you begin to make profit on that particular coin. Okay, so that is how this one works. So I'll not be going into detail into auto invest, but I have a video about auto invest. I'm going to be dropping it in the description of the video. You can go ahead and watch that video on how auto invest actually works. Now, the third way on how you can actually make money on Binance is through copy trading. Okay, so guys, this copy trading is one lucrative way that a whole lot of guys are actually using to make money on Binance, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that just briefly here. I also have a video concerning how you can do that in details. I'm going to be linking it in the description of the video. Okay, but just like every other businesses, this also comes with, in as much as you'll be able to make a whole lot of money, it also comes with its own risk. Okay, so here you can see a whole lot of traders, okay, professional traders making money here. Okay, if I take a look, you take a look at this guy, you can see in the last 30 days, this guy has made 192%. Okay, you can see $383,513 is what this guy has made in the last 30 days. If you check out this one, this guy has made 241% ROI, okay, in the last 30 days, which is 284,494 $77. That is what this guy has made in the last 30 days. I can see a whole lot of them like that have actually made money through copy trading. Okay, so they take the trade. All you just need to do is to copy their trade, and if they make money, you're going to be making money. But if they lose money, then definitely you're also going to be losing money. So for you to understand how this one actually works step by step, I made a video earlier about Binance copy trading. Like I rightly said, I'm going to link it in the description of the video. So all you just need to do, let's assume you want to go with this guy, okay, that has made 24.70% ROI in the last 30 days. I'm just going to click on copy. You follow the process and you're able to follow. I'll copy this guy straight. Okay, then the next one we're going to be looking at on how to make money on Binance is going to be Binance Launchpad. Okay, now this Launchpad is one of the lucrative way that a whole lot of guys have used to make money on Binance. So how this actually happens is that there are some project developers that comes to Binance as soon as they want to launch their coin or list their coin on Binance platform. They come to their Launchpad so that they'll be able to draw awareness, okay, and also raise fund for that token. Okay, so they come here. Let me just quickly show you this particular one. You can see this bio. It's unfortunate that there's no one present now that I would have used as an example to show you, but you can see bio, this one is completed. You can see Vana token, you can see usual token, you can see SCR token. In short, they've had over 100, you can see 101 project launched on Binance Launchpool already. Okay, so how this actually works is this: when these guys bring their token to Binance Launchpool, okay, like I rightly said, to create awareness and to also raise funds for the project before it will be launched on Binance, they give traders or crypto traders the opportunity to also partake in these projects by depositing some amount of, it could be FDUSD or BNB, okay, into the Binance launch pool, and then they're going to be getting some amount of, let's say this bio, you're going to be getting this bio, some amount of this bio token in return as a reward for supporting their project. Okay, so you can see for this particular one, the total airdrop that they actually gave out is 99,600,000. Okay, 99,600,000 bio is what they actually gave to people that supported their project. And trust me, on the very day that the project will be coming to an end, the exact amount of BNB or FDUSD that you use in supporting this project will be transferred to your spot wallet on Binance, and also the amount of airdrop that is allocated, okay, to you will also be transferred to your spot wallet. So it's a win-win game for you. Whichever way you're going to look at it, Launchpool is one way that a whole lot of people, if you take a look at this particular bio project, you can see they had over 1,586,827 people participated in this Launchpool airdrop. Okay, that goes to tell you that a whole lot of guys, crypto traders, are taking advantage of Binance Launchpool. So if you take advantage of this also, you'll be able to make money through Binance Launchpool. Okay, now the fifth way of making money on Binance Daily is through futures trading. Okay, now this futures trading, that is the only way that a whole lot of people thought you'll be able to make money on Binance or through crypto. And a whole lot of guys are scared of this particular method because it requires expertise. Okay, you must be able to understand how to analyze the market and speculate the movement of a particular coin. Okay, so let's assume here you want to buy let's say BNB, okay, against USDT. You should be able to know if BNB is going to buy or is going to sell, and you're going to take your trade in direction of your belief. Okay, so that is one other way that a whole lot of guys actually make money through crypto on Binance every single day. Okay, is the speculation. Futures trading is the speculation of the movement of a particular coin. Okay, then you're going to be, so it's kind of a bit tricky. So I have a video concerning futures trading on Binance. Okay, I'm also going to be linking it in the description of this video. That will help you to understand how to analyze the markets and how to take either a buy or a sell. Some persons call it long or short on the trade. Okay, and for a bonus, okay, remember I said 5 ways, but for a bonus, I'm going to be showing you the sixth way also on how to earn on Binance every single day, which is called sports trading. Okay, so if you come down here, you can see this particular one, which is called spot trading. How this actually works is also kind of familiar with futures trading, but it's just that when you're going to be trading sports, okay, it means that you're going to be buying your coin, okay, and you're going to hold it. Okay, if you're going to be buying a token, let's assume you're going to be buying ADA, okay, or you're going to be buying any token for that matter, you're going to be buying that token and holding that token, believing that if that token begins to appreciate, then you're going to be making money. Okay, and the beauty of this is that there's no way you're going to lose your money, provided you keep holding to that token. Okay, even if the token is going deep, if you hold on onto it, eventually with time, definitely it's going to appreciate and you'll be able to make money through it. Okay, so it's one other way that a whole lot of people that have a lot of patience make money on the Binance platform. Okay, so guys, I believe if you look through these 5 to 6 ways of making money on Binance, one of them should be able to resonate with your way of making money online, and you should be able to start making money on Binance through this any of this method. Okay, and I want to believe that you actually got value through this method that I've shown you. And if you got value, guys, don't forget to like the video, and also please subscribe to the channel if you've not done that before now. Okay, all right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.